In this video, I'll show you how to change your year-end date in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you want to click on the sixth option, which is accounting. Now, under accounting, you want to head over to the very bottom and click on accounting settings. Now, that will take you to the settings page. And from here, you want to make sure that you are on the accounting section. Now, on the accounting section, you want to click on the first option, which is financial settings. Now, once you are on the financial settings section, you want to head over to financial year end. And from here, it is set as the 30th of June. On the right hand side, just simply click on the hyperlink to change. Now, once you do that, from here you can set a financial year end. So on June, we will set this to be December, and that will be the end of December. Once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on done. Now, once you click on done, it will automatically change the financial year end to the 31st of December. And once you are satisfied with the changes, head over to the bottom and the right corner and click on save. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.